welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Selenium to take screenshots. Let's get started. If you don't have Selenium, I'll have a video linked up top. So first let's start by importing the WebDriver. So go and let's declare the driver, which is WebDriver.chrome, and my Chrome binary is in TMP. Next, let's take a screenshot of Amazon. So driver get, there we go. And so to take a screenshot, there are two methods that do the same thing, they're identical. So the first one is driver.save screenshot, and then you specify the path where you want to save the file, and you end it with PNG. So /tmp Amazon screenshot.png, and the second one is like this. It's get file as screenshot, and they both do the same thing. So let's quit the driver and test this. All right. Okay, let's check the terminal. So open Amazon screenshot, and there you go, you have the screenshot. Now there's another thing that's interesting, which is screenshotting certain elements, only one element and not the whole page. So let's say we want to screenshot only the header. So what we're gonna do is say element or header equals driver.find element by tag name, and let's take the header, and then you just have to say header.screenshot and specify the path. So header screenshot.png. Let's try this. All right. So let's check out terminal. Open header screenshot. There you go, you only have the header. And that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to have more content like this. Thank you. Bye.